I'm going to destroy Play Button's Awesome Club by letting Bommy's fuse. Here I go. Oh no, Viacom, line my fuse! I destroyed the club. Viacom? Oh shoot, caught again. I'm gonna go get P-Head now. P-Head, what? Viacom destroyed my awesome club. Can you get rid of him for me? Okay, sure. Viacom, how dare you destroy Play Button's awesome club? That's it. I'm gonna get rid of you with my split. There, Play Button. I got rid of Viacom for you. You can rebuild your awesome club now. Okay, but mind if you can help me? Also, you're invited to the club. Thank you, and yes, I'll help you.